while sitting here. So I hope that whatever I am going to speak for the next 5-10 minutes, if I am able to motivate any one of you, I will feel that my work has been done. First of all, I would like to thank Chinmay Vidyalaya and Chinmay Mission to put such a grand welcome. It is always pleasure to come to your own school from where you have studied. And when I came here, nobody knew me. I was very silent. I never used to ask questions. I never had any such doubts. But slowly and gradually, at every step, I used to beat my past results. And gradually, I did well in class 12th also. I got 96%. And that year only I got selected into IIT Bombay. So I believe that there are 3-4 things which work for me. I will just explain my background. That will give you a little bit of know-how from where I have come from. I did my basic primary education from my village Kumri. It is a small village in Katihar district in Bihar. After that I moved to Patna. Then I did my matriculation from Purnia, Bihar. And for 12th I came here. I came with lot of hope because in 9th and 10th I decided to prepare for IIT JEE. And the 2 years that I spent in Bokaro, the 2 years that I spent here, it proved monumental in my entire success, because from here I went to IIT Bombay, and there I got very good environment, very good peer group, very good friends. And whatever I am here, a lot of role is being played by the Chinmay Vidyalaya and my college IIT Bombay. Many people asked me, how you felt after the result? Who have a lot of contribution. My family, my father, my mother, my chacha, my chachi, entire, I have a joint family. And everyone has played a very important role in my life. The kind of support I got from my family helped me to keep motivated for the examination. I am very thankful to my family and my close friends. Everybody think of big success, that yes, you have cracked examination, but every success has a story behind it. And I never used to think that I will achieve a grand success in a small period of time. I always thought that I will climb the ladder step by step. I will have a small targets, I will have a small aim, I will achieve those targets first. I always try to become a better version of myself. Whatever my past performances, I never used to compare it with other people, other students in my class. I always try to beat my past results. I think in my entire journey, when I came to this school, I did not perform well initially. In 11th G, I was in 11th G, and Narmendra sir was my class teacher. And he can, I think he is not here, but he will also agree. Initially, I did not perform well. But good planning and strategy helped me a lot. I think you should also plan. You should also analyze your strength and weakness, in which area you are lacking. So I used to do a lot of self-evaluation. Every week I used to think where I can improve, where is my, if I desire, if I aspire to crack IIT or any other examination, then what is my position with respect to that, where I am standing. So I used to self-analyze a lot, and in that process, if I feel that certain things is distracting me, I used to move away from that. If certain friends, they are demotivating me, then I used to move away from them. In life, you have to take certain few difficult decisions. It might feel very emotional in 11th and 12th, but you have to take those decisions. If you feel that certain things is deviating you from that aim, then you should, move away from that and focus on whatever aim that you have set for yourself. I still remember when rank 32 in civil service examination he came, he told one thing, that in life everyone has different problems, different difficulties, but you should not blame your failure. You should not put the blame of your failures to anybody else. You are the one who are creating your life. You are the one who is going to that path. So should not complain. Whatever problems that you are having, try to find a good solution out of that. You should discuss with your friends, family, close friends, your teachers, and find a solution. You should not blame the situation. You should not blame anybody else. So in my entire preparation, I used to keep this in my mind. Whenever I used to feel distracted, I used to think I am the sole reason for this. And then I used to replan. So a good plan and strategy for entire year or 2 year or 3 year, then self-evaluation, then not blaming anyone else, having a good support system, these things worked out for me. In 11th and 12th, it becomes difficult to manage your school syllabus and to manage whatever exams you are preparing for, be it medical, engineering or any other examination. So I set a goal for myself that I will first excel well in my school. So it came from my father. Whenever I used to feel that I am not able to manage time, my father used to tell that first do well in your school syllabus, first do well in your school, because that is important. From anywhere if you try to do graduation, the percentage that you score in 12th, it will matter. Not only the academics, but the other things that you learn in school, that will shape your personality, that will shape the person that you are. And believe me, to become a successful person, but a bad person is worse. You should be ethical in your conduct. People used to tell me, and they still tell, that you have very good luck. In CSE 2019, I got 290th rank, and I was initially sad that again I will have to prepare because I was not getting IAS. Then again I prepared. But people say that you have a very good luck. But I always say that if you perform yourself well, if you try to be an ethical person, if you have good relations with your friends, then all the blessings that you get, it actually works. And having a positive mindset also helps. So these things, for some people it is luck, and for me it is like added advantage. Whenever in my entire journey, whenever I feel demotivated, anything happened, I always try to look for the positive side. And my father and mother, they always motivated me, and they always kept me feeling motivated and feel that positive energy inside myself. So whatever journey you take, you should remember that being positive, having a positive mindset is very important. Have a positive outlook for the life. If you have that mindset, then every other thing like having a good strategy, having good peer group, everything works out well. Apart from it, there is one word, there is one value that also helped me a lot, that is grit. If I set a target for myself, if I set an aim for myself, then I will try everything to achieve that. And that grit is very important, especially for the examination like civil services. In my first attempt in 2018, I was not able to clear prelims. Then I felt that yes, I have one more year to go and I will prepare and I will excel well for the next year. So that grit is important. Again, I did not get IAS. Then again I motivated myself and having that grit that one day I will clear, one day I will beat this examination, helped me a lot. Apart from this, few years ago I was that side and I used to feel that one day I will come this side. So you should have that confidence within yourself. And I have confidence in you, in every one present here. You should not feel that nobody knows you, nobody is taking care of you. Whosoever is close to you, your family, your friends, your teachers, everybody cares about you. You should have that self-belief in yourself. Then the world will have, belief in you. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. वो कहते हैं ना कि मायूस मत होना जिंदगी से, मायूस मत होना जिंदगी से, किसी भी वक्त तेरा नाम बन सकता है। अगर दिल में हो आग और हौसला तो अखबार बेचने वाला भी कलाम बन सकता है। और अब तो हम यूं कहेंगे कि अगर दिल में हो आग और हौसला तो हर चिन्मया का विद्यार्थी शुभम भैया जैसा बेमिसाल बन सकता है। तो अभी तक आपने शुभम, जी हाँ बिल्कुल शुभम भैया कह सकते हैं आप, उनकी बातों